Republicans are genuinely so unserious. They're trying to tell the victims of Jeffrey Epstein that they are being transparent because they released some of the Epstein files, but this is
Hey,
a
hi everyone. To this special update on story that continue to grip the world. And today we are diving deep into the latest chapter of Jeffrey Epstein saga, the release of thousands of documents, survivor testimonies, and politicals maneuvering have once again thrust this case into the spotlight. So grab a cup of coffee and let's unpack what's happening. Just a few days ago, September 2nd, 2025, the US House Oversight Committee made a headline by releasing a massive trove 33,295 pages related to federal investigation into Jeffrey Epstein, the disgraced financier and convicted sex offender who died by suicide in 2019. These documents, ranging from flight logs to jail surveillance video and court filing, we are intended to shed light on one of the most notorious scandal of our time. But here's the catch. Early reports suggest that 97% of the material was already in the public domain, raising question about whether this was a genuine step towards transparency or a carefully staged distraction. Release came amid growing pressure from both sides of the political aisle. Bipartisan efforts spread headed by Representative Thomas Massey has gained significant traction. By September 3rd, a discharge petition to force a vote on releasing all unredacted Epstein file have already collected 134 signatures, more than halfway to the 218 needed. Lawmaker like Marjorie Taylor Greene and Nancy Mace have joined the cause, visibly moved by meetings with Epstein survivors who shared horrifying tales of abusive involving powerful figures. These survivors have sparking publicly for the first time gather on Capitol Hill to demand accountability, turning the politician heat up several notches. But the story take a dramatic turn with reports of White House interference. Allegations have surfaced that the Trump administration is pressurizing Republican lawmakers, labeling support for the petition a hostile act. So this has fueled speculation about what might still be hidden in this unredacted files. So in this cover up or legitimate efforts to protect victim identities, the tension is palpable and the public is left wondering, will the full truth ever emerge? To understand the stakes, let's step back for a moment. Epstein connection to elites, including document ties to the Donald Trump, have long been a focal point. Historical photo from the late 1990s and early 20s. So such as one more Mar-a-Lago in 1997 show the two men socializing, while a 2017 tape revealed Trump joking about Epstein preference. Trump has distanced himself from Epstein, claiming their relationship ended around 15 years ago over a real estate dispute. But these revelations keep the debate alive, with survivors now calling out powerful figures and the administration response under scrutiny. The political fallout could reshape narrative around the case. So where do we stand right now? The oversight committee release has sparked outrage and skepticism. Survivors like Anushka, the gorilla, and Chante Devian have bravely shared their stories, urging Congress to pass the Epstein Files Transparency Act. Meanwhile, the Justice Department decision to withhold additional document, potentially include a so-called client list, has only deepened the mystery. Even a recent discovery of missing minutes of CCTV footage from the Epstein jail has fall to fuel conspiracy theories. So as we move forward, the coming days will be critical. Will be the discharge petition succeed? Will the Trump administration relent under public pressure? And most importantly, will justice finally be served for the victims? For now, the Epstein files remain a puzzle with too many missing pieces, but the push for the transparency shows no sign of showing down. That's all today's update. Stay tuned as this story unfolds. Let us know your thoughts. Are we on the brink of breakthrough, or is this another chapter in a decades long cover up? Until next time, this is your Tribe Knowledge signing off.